All right, y'all. We doing 2 stores in 1 day. That's right, 2 stores in 1 day. If you watch my previous video, you know I've already done Publix. So now I'm at Kroger. The buy 5 save 5 sale has started today. So I'm going in there to see what it is in there that's on sale and what I can find for you guys. I will let you know once I get in. All right, you guys, we are in here. They have the skinny pot pepper jack on closeout. It's $1.54. We have a $1 coupon, so they'll make them 54 cents each. Or you can get the regular one if you don't like that one. And they're $1.99. We have a $1 coupon, making them 99 cents each. So it's up to you. All right, these are on closeout as well. They're 74 cents each. And then I have a $1 coupon, so they'll make them 24 cents per box. And my kids love Annie's, so I'm gonna get those. Okay, so these organic crackers, they're on closeout for 84 cents. There is a 50-cent coupon, making them 34 cents each. I've already taken a few of them, so that's why you don't see so many, but you're gonna get those as well. Okay, you guys, these Planters peanuts, they're $2.49, buy 5 save 5. There's a $1.50 coupon sitting right there, you guys, right on the product. All you have to do is look. They'll make those 99 cents each. That's a great price for Planters. So we're gonna get some of those as well. Okay, you guys, we're gonna get some popcorn, some Jolly Time. You can either get the Simply Pop Butter or the Healthy Pops, whichever one you choose. They are 99 cents, and we have a 75-cent off coupon, making them 24 cents each. Whichever one you choose. We're gonna get some of those today. All right, guys, we're gonna get some soy sauce. It's 88 cents. When you buy 5, you save 5. There is a 55-cent coupon, you guys, making them 33 cents each. My family goes through soy sauce because we eat a lot of rice, but this is a good deal, you guys, if you have this coupon. All right, you guys, we're gonna get some rice vinegar. They're 99 cents, buy 5 save 5. There is a $1 coupon, making them absolutely free. So we are going to take all of them. We can get some General Mills cereal here. They are buy 5 save 5 for $1.79. There is a $1 Peely, making them 79 cents each. You can get you some men's Speed Stick. They are buy 5 save 5. They're 99 cents, and there is a 50-cent off coupon, making them 49 cents each. We're gonna do the same thing here for the ladies Speed Stick. They're 99 cents, buy 5 save 5, and there's a 50-cent coupon, making them 49 cents each. All right, we have some soft soap here. They're $1.29. There's a 50-cent coupon, making them 79 cents each. Okay, over in the frozen aisle, there are some French fries here for $1.99. They're on sale, and there is a $1 coupon, making them 99 cents each. So we're gonna get some of those today as well. Sorry, y'all. I done went to 2 stores, a Publix and a Kroger. And I'm tired, y'all. So I'm gonna head on home. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. We out.